Good afternoon. Else is left. La farm is here. The farm, yeah, farm, please turn on the camera. Amra, Ifa, Afam. Please turn on the camera.
Ma'am, did you turn off your
I
presentation
can't see you. Who said
yourself
that?
or did it
Ah,
do
now it's okay.
instantly? Yeah. Yeah.
Ifa, are you there? I think Ifa is not well. Right? Is she okay now?
Neuron or nerve cell. In animals, control and coordination are provided by nervous and muscular tissues.
Very good. Which are the parts of
All
very good,
information
very good.
from
So you
our
remember what?
environment is detected
So
by the
one thing I want to
specialized networks of
tell
some
you.
nerve cells.
This is yes,
These
iron is bad.
receptors are usually
So this
located
is
in
already
our sense
class.
organs. Nerve cells or neurons respond to
Yeah.
external and internal stimuli.
Can you see my screen?
Let's understand the structure of a neuron or nerve cell.
You can see that, right? It's not showing to me.
Neuron.
I
A
think it's
neuron
coming.
is a nerve cell with branches. It is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It may be elongated over 100
Okay. Uh,
centimeter. A
animal cell
neuron can
and
detect,
plant cell. One thing I want to
receive, and
tell you.
conduct
So this
the
is the
nerve
only class
impulse
when
to
I
various
came to the class
parts
and
of the
asked what
body.
we learned in the last class. You
Sighting.
are the only
It is
one.
also called
In this class only I got the replay, correct replay.
cell
In
body.
all the
Its
classes they will
granular
think what was in
cytoplasm
the
is
last class, they will take thing like that and they took some time to answer.
called
But you
neuroplasm.
immediately
And in the center, a spherical
I got answer him very quickly
nucleus
from your
or
class.
nucleolus is present.
Okay. So animal cell, which are the parts of an animal cell?
Missels granules are a number of small basophilic granules of various shapes found in neuroplasm. Dendron are the
Cytoplasm. Cell
branched
membrane
projections
is
of a
there.
neuron that act to conduct
Nucleus is there. Nucleus, cell membrane is there,
Ma'am, it
cytoplasm
is
is
showing
there,
circulation.
nucleus is
the
there,
dendrons.
mitochondria is there.
These are
Okay.
terminal branches that arise from dendrons. Axon. It is single, long, and
So next is about some specialized cells.
its primary function is to
Okay, you don't
conduct
want to explain. Specialized cells, what are specialized
the
cells?
nerve impulses away from the cyton.
Afam, are you listening?
The plasma membrane of neuron is called neurolemma. The axon is colored by medullary.
Amra, can you repeat it once more?
It may form a
Yeah, can you hear me? I think I have some network issue. Ah, can you hear me clearly? Okay. So in the last class there was a small what's the problem with my voice? Okay. So different kinds of cells have different function in our body. So each type of cell is specialized for a specific function. That's and according to that function they have a different and a different size. Okay, so and there this structure and shape difference in the structure and shape is
Ma'am,
to adapt them to
like,
carry out that function.
like,
So let's see which are the specialized cells.
okay.
Some specialized animal cells. First one is red blood cell. What is it?
My laptop is getting hotter.
Yeah. Afam, are No? Ifa? Any problem? Red blood cells or RBC. Okay. Red blood cells or RBC are smaller than most of the other cells in our body. So, I told something about this red blood cells, right? It do not have nucleus actually. Somebody asked me, is there any cell that don't have nucleus?
You can just share it in the classroom.
So this is the cell. Red blood cells do not have nucleus in it.
I think that could work.
Okay, let's see why it don't have the nucleus. Red blood cells are smaller than most of the other cells in our body, and this small structure is to make it flow through, allow
What
it
did you
to
say?
go into the small blood capillaries. Okay, you know that blood is flowing through small blood capillaries, right? So you can see veins on your hands and your legs are like that. Agree with thing? White-like structure. So these are actually a type of blood capillary. Okay. So through these type of capillaries, the blood cells are flowing. Blood cells means the blood. The blood contains blood cells, right?
Neuron.
A group of blood cells together make the blood. Okay, along with the fluid.
In animals,
So
control
this
and coordination
blood
of the
capillaries are very
nerves
small.
and
So
muscular
if the
tissues.
blood cell is very
All
big, it
information
will be
from our
difficult for it
environment is
to move
detected
through that blood
by the
capillaries, right?
specialized tips of some nerve cells.
If it is very big, it will be very difficult for it to move through that. So in order to make the flow very smooth, these blood cells, red blood cells, we can set it as RBC. Okay, so RBC
These
is
receptors are usually
very
located
tiny
in
or
our cells'
small
organs.
as compared to the
Nerve cells
other
or neurons
cells in our
respond
body.
to external
This
and
helps them
internal
to
stimuli.
go
Let's
go
understand the
through the
structure of
blood
a neuron
capillary
or
very
nerve cell.
easily.
Neuron.
Okay, so
A
this
neuron
blood
is a
cells,
nerve
what
cell
is the
with
function of a
branches.
blood cell? What
It
does
is
it
the
carry
structure
from one
and
part of our
functional
body to
unit of
another?
the
It is
nervous
flowing
system.
all over our body,
It may
right?
be elongated over 100
Why it is flowing
centimeters.
all over our body?
A
What is
neuron
its
can
function in
detect,
our body?
receive, and conduct the nerve impulse to various parts of the body. Cyton. It is also called cell body. Its granular cytoplasm is
Hemoglobin,
called
what hemoglobin?
neuroplasm, and in the center, a spherical nucleus with nucleoli.
It contains hemoglobin. I know that. What is a
Granules are
don't
a
go
number of
that
small
much deep to that.
mesophylic granules of various
Yes,
shapes
it carry
found in
oxygen.
neuroplasm. Dendron are
Okay.
the branched projections of a neuron that
Good
act
afternoon,
to
Ayan.
the electrical stimulation. Dendrites, these are terminal branches that arise from dendrons. Axon,
We just started,
it's a single,
okay?
long and cylindrical. Its
Uh,
primary function is to
I'm not
conduct the nerve
I'm
impulses
talking to Iron.
away from the
It's
cytoplasm.
I am talking to Iron.
The plasma membrane of neuron is called neurolemma. The axon is covered by medullary sheath and possesses node of
Isn't
Ranvier.
that?
It may form a number of terminal arborizations.
Okay, then he can
Let's
leave the
understand how
class.
nerve impulse travels in the body. Stimuli acquired at the end of
Okay.
the dendritic tip of a nerve cell sets off a chemical reaction that creates an electrical impulse.
Because
This
when I
impulse
continuously
travels from
hearing
the
this
dendrite to the cell
2,
body
3, 4
and then
classes,
along the axon
if
to
you are
the
not
tip.
well, it feel very
At the end of
disturbed.
the axon, the
If you are
electrical
well,
impulse
also you
sets
got
off the release of
distracted,
some chemicals.
totally exhausted at the end of
These
the class,
chemicals
right?
cross the gap or
Then it will be very
synapse
difficult
and
for you
start a similar
if you are
electrical
not
impulse
well.
in a dendrite of
Amra
Pott's
said,
nerve.
yeah.
This is a general scheme of how nervous impulses travel in the body.
Zaira, why
A
are you
similar
late?
synapse finally allows delivery of such impulses from neurons to other nerve cells.
Sorry? You did
Ma'am,
it?
that's it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, ma'am, yeah.
Label the
No, I
parts
don't
of that.
understand, ma'am.
You can Google the parts, you can label it, or you you can see the picture in the slide. Yeah, you can see it in the. I already shared. You don't want to go to the YouTube video. I shared the slides to you. You can see the picture there. It is in the assignment classroom. The sides are in the assignment classroom. Okay. Yeah, you just post it in the classroom. I will check that. It is not that much clear to me while you show here. Okay.
Do you share
I hope everybody is doing your homework.
classroom or not?
Okay. Ifa, come to the front of the camera. Why are you hiding?
Ma'am, do you know what is it? This is a pregnant.
The red blood cells are bigger or smaller than other cells?
That both. Ma'am, you know the price of this?
Is the red blood cells smaller? Very good. They are smaller than other cells.
Ma'am, this worth
And
over
it allows,
22,000.
it is smaller. Why it is smaller? It's your camera.
It's a rare.
Yes, they have to travel through the small blood capillaries. So they have to be tiny or very small, then only it can move freely through that blood capillaries. Okay, and its function is to deliver oxygen to all parts of our body. So when we breathe in, the oxygen will reach the lungs, and it from the lungs it will diffuse or it will get into our blood. There are small blood capillaries near to our lungs, and through that blood capillaries the oxygen will get into your blood, and that blood is carried by that oxygen is carried by your blood to all parts of the body. Okay, so if there is a block in the pathway of the blood, what happened, that part of our body don't get the oxygen properly. Okay, that will affect the functioning of our body. So it is a very necessity that all parts of the body should get enough amount of oxygen. So that is the function of the blood to carry the oxygen to all part of our body. Zaira, are you listening or not?
When is the due date for that project? Ma'am, can draw the
Okay. The cytoplasm of the cell carries a red pigment called a hemoglobin.
Plant cell.
Okay, so that's what hemoglobin. And have you ever checked your blood? Have you ever go to check your blood test? If you don't check your blood, no problem. You can ask your parents whether there is anybody's blood test report. Okay, in that you can see hemoglobin, amount of hemoglobin in that. Okay, or it may be sometimes written as hemoglobin. In some lab they written directly as hemoglobin. In some it will be HB, capital H and small letter B. Okay. HB. Okay, good. So next time whether you go for a blood test, please check your test result, or you can ask your parents whether if there is any one spot in your home, please go through that. You can see the HB amount in that. Okay, and the minimum amount for males is 15 and 12. Amount that is needed for male is 14 and for female it is 12. Okay, and this hemoglobin is very much needed because this hemoglobin have a center for hemoglobin have an affinity to the oxygen. So hemoglobin is a place where the oxygen is fixed in the blood. Hemoglobin is the vehicle of the oxygen, or hemoglobin is the car or bike of the oxygen. Okay, this the oxygen it get into the hemoglobin, and it carries this blood. Okay, so hemoglobin is very essential for carrying the blood oxygen to all parts of our body. if you take enough oxygen and there is, see, there are 100 people are there. You have to reach the airport by within 1 hour. Okay, but there are only 3 cars. You to travel for to travel these 100 people in this 3 car. No. So this hemoglobin is like this oxygen is like the people and the hemoglobin is like the cars. Okay, if there is not enough cars, it is not possible for them to travel. Like that, if there is not enough hemoglobin, it is not possible for the oxygen to travel all parts of our body. Okay. Saira, at the end of this class, I will ask questions to you. You are not listening to the class. Okay, the cell. So the cell has no nucleus. Okay, it don't have nucleus because it need more space for the hemoglobin to stay. Okay, so nucleus said, "Oh no, I am not coming to your place. I don't have much role in your place.
Okay.
So you can go and you can do the work." Okay, so nucleus have a very good not going into the red blood cells. Okay, so red blood cells is not present in the. Sorry, Amra. No, you can think like that also. So maybe hemoglobin come, you get out. Nucleus, you just get out. I have a big role here. I have to carry the oxygen. If I'm not doing my work properly, all of you will suffer. So I just want to good. That is also there. Yes, Zara. What? Whenever I explain, I was looking at your face itself. You are not listening at all. I don't look at anyone, any other one. I was just focusing on you. Okay. So red blood cells are the. So I think it's better you can tell points one by one. If you can start. Red blood cells. Come on. Okay. So you can expect a question like that. Why the red cells do not have nucleus? Why Zaira? I'm gonna wait. Why the red blood cells do not have nucleus? Zaira, come on. Why the red blood cells do not have nucleus? Not blood vessels, red blood cells. RBC. You don't know the answer. That's why you are asking the question again and again. Ayan, can you answer it? Ayan, can you try to answer it? Why red blood cells have no nucleus? Yes, thank you, Afam. That's the question. I just try to do. If you don't know, just say I don't know. Ah. No, no, no. It's okay, it's okay. Nuha, can you answer it? I told that after you joined. That's why I asked the question, right? I told it repeatedly again and again. Please listen to the class. Nuha, why the red blood cells have do not have nucleus? Is the answer correct? Oh, okay, good. Thank you. Fine. I didn't. It was not clear for me. Okay, thank you. So that's correct. So the cell nucleus, sorry, the red blood cells are small because it have to go through the tiny blood capillary. So for the smooth movement of the blood cells, red blood cells, it is small about the cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm of the hemoglobin carries hemoglobin. Sorry, red blood cells carry hemoglobin, and this function of the hemoglobin is to carry oxygen. Okay, and next point is the nucleus is not present in this red blood cells because this is the question that I asked to Ayan and Zaira. Ayan and Zaira, please listen. Red blood cells do not have nucleus because hemoglobin is there, right? Hemoglobin is present in the red blood cells. It needs more space. You see, in order to provide more space for the hemoglobin, nucleus is not present in the red blood cells. Okay, it leaves the space for the hemoglobin because hemoglobin is more essential for carrying the oxygen from through the blood. Okay, that's it. Next is neuron. Do you know what is neuron? Nerve. 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 Nerves, yes. Yes. No. Nerves or nerve cells or neuron. Neuron, a single nerve cell is called a neuron. Okay. So you can't carry electrical signal of our body. So you want to means the electrical signals is passing through our body. What is the purpose of electrical signals in our body? No idea. So, no problem. Let's leave it. When you touch a hot object, what did you do? Immediately, what did you do? Yes, yes, Nuha. Yes, Nuha. You are right. Wait. When you touch a hot object, yes, yes, good. So it is not the nerve moving to the brain. Nerves carrying some messages. Nerves will send some message to the brain. Then brain will give a reply to that. According to that reply, we do the actions. Okay. So one thing. While I am taking the class, I will move my hands. Okay, so it is an automatic action. We think it is not under the control of our brain, but even that movement is controlled by our brain, and for that the messages are continuously passing from the tip of my hand to the brain, and the reply is coming from the brain to back to my hand. It's like a fraction of second. Okay, when we touch a hot object, immediately you will withdraw your hands. Or when a thorn is prick under your foot, immediately you will withdraw your legs. Right? All these actions. Okay, if you want to take a book, you have to move your hands and you have to take the book. Okay, when you think like that, yes, I want to take. So then your brain will, the hand will send a message. I want to take it. I want to take. Amra, please mute dear while you typing. The sound is coming. Okay, so when you should get a message. Oh yeah, I want to take a book. So then brain will send a message to the hand. Dear hand, please take the book. So you have to move. So in order to move that, the message will go to your muscles. Muscles be move, then only she can take her book or he can take her book. So all each and every action, thinking, everything is controlled by our brain and spinal cord and our nerves. Okay, it is all controlled by the nervous system. Continuously messages are passing from one part of our body to another. This leads to the body, leads to all the actions in what we do. Everything is controlled by the nervous system. Okay, so when we're too small or when you are too old, it is not possible for you to do something quickly, right? It is because your nervous system is not that much active when you are too old and when you are too small. Okay. So all the actions in our body is controlled by this nervous system, and this nervous system, the basic fundamental unit of this nervous system is a nerve cell or neuron. So it is a specialized cell for carrying messages or for communication inside our body. Okay, so neurons carry from one part of our body to another. They help all parts of our body to communicate each other. Okay, these are the functions of a neuron. Next is the parts of a neuron. Look at the picture. It is a picture that took from the first part, the cell body. Second, tube-like structure is axon, and axon has some branches. It is called axonites. And look at the cell body. You can see some branches. That is dendrite. So mainly there are three parts: dendrites, axon, and cell body. Okay, cell body has some branches that is called dendrites, and the dendrite cell body have a long branch that is called axon, and the axon have some branches. It is axonite. Don't get confused. I have the video with you that will make you clear about all the structure. I will show the video first, then we can explain. Then it will be more clear to you. Video is not coming. It will come. Where is the video? Video will come soon. It's not coming. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. video. Sing. I turn off. Just a minute. Let me leave and join once more. Okay. I think can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah,
but it is totally get stuck. I can't show you anything. Wait. You can share it in the classroom, that will be better. Enlarge it. Enlarge it. Yes, it is audible. Yes. Ah, yeah. That's enough. We can stop the presentation. Thank you, Zara. Do you get the parts of this new nervous system now? Nervous system. I think I can't share my screen and all. So next day, I think it will be better. I will share the screen. I will add more pictures to that. Okay, and I will try to find another video that is more clear and with the necessary things only. In this video, there are a lot of other extra uh, information is there that makes you more confused. Just the parts of nervous system is need for you. So I will, sorry, list the parts of neuron is necessary for you. So that I will search in the next day and I will show you. Yes. I think I shared. This one I'm not sure, but the first two I shared last. Um, is that a harm from? This is a pen. Penny. Is that a man? Is a man? Then give that to me. So do you have the antique collections, rare piece collections and all? Sally, what's your next period? Is it free? Is the last period free for you? This is the last period. Then it's okay. I think it's better you can leave now because I can't. Can you recollect what we learned today? If you want to that, can you recollect what we learned today? Before the nerves, we learned about the red blood cells, right? The red blood cells and nerves. So nerves, you know the function of a nerve. What is a nerve? What project, dear? I think it's the next week. Maybe just go through. The due date it is in the classroom. Every day I'm giving assignments to 4 classes, right? Every week. So it's not. I'm not a super brain. It's mine is not a super brain. I can remember all the due dates, all the assignments and all. So I know we didn't cover much portion today, but it is totally stuck. My system is not working properly. Maybe I'm continuously taking 2 classes. Maybe because of that. Okay, so that is okay. We can cover that in the next day. We can go a little bit faster. Yes, I am. None of that. After no. Okay, you can draw. The next day, we are not complete. We are not yet completed the nerves, right? So remember one thing: the nervous system is nervous cell is divided into 3 parts. First one, cell body, axon, and dendrites. These are the main 3 parts of a nerve cell: axon, cell body, and dendrite. Okay, dendrite, axon, and cell body. And the axon have a branches called axonite. That is a part of it, but mainly the nervous cell is divided into 3: dendrite, and it is the place where the messages is received by the nerve cell, dendrite. And it is get into the cell body. Inside the cell body, nucleus and cytoplasm is there. Okay, inside the cell body, nucleus and cytoplasm is there. From the cell body, the message will pass through neuron. Next, nervous cell through this axon. Through this axon is going to the axonites. Axonites are the branches of the axon. And through that axonite, it is passing through the dendrite of the other neuron. Okay. So it starts from the dendrite and it ends in axonite. Okay, dendrite is the part where the messages are received. And from that it goes to the cell body. Cell body, inside the cell body, cytoplasm, nucleus is there. From the cell body, the axon is a long tube from the cell body, and through that the message is passed and it is moved to the branches of the axon called axonite. From that it moves to the next dendrite. Then that dendrite again carry it to the next neuron, then it carry to the next neuron. Like that the message is passed from one neuron to another. Okay. The next day I will show some other video with more clear pictures and all. Then it will be thorough for you. Okay, fine. Okay, I think you have only 5 or 10 minutes. You can leave now. Yes. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.